Aloha! Welcome to a new reading. My name is Danny Love, and I am here today to share a message with you from Spirit. Ooh, there we go. Let's see what we got. Awakening, energetic upgrades, a new way of being, and integration. Yes. So, it is time to allow yourself to rest, to integrate, and to hydrate, to take it easy as these energetic upgrades are coming in for you. There's new ways of being wanting to come forth through you. A new way of doing things, of seeing things, of expressing yourself with the world. But in order for all that to fully integrate in your body temple, it is advised to rest, to hydrate, maybe even take a nice bubble bath, or if you have the ability to go to a body of water, a natural body of water like a lake, a river, the ocean, do that. Soak in some natural waters to help you integrate these new energetic upgrades that are coming in for you. We are in eclipse season right now, and so the old ways are being asked to be released and let go, or not even being asked, they're just being eclipsed out of our lives. So allow yourself time to integrate the new that is wanting to come through for you, for your highest and greatest goods. Let's see, get grounded. Yes, spend time in nature. Like I just said, if you don't have a body of water around you, but you are surrounded by a beautiful forest, then do some forest bathing. Go hug a tree, put your bare feet on the ground, and really ground into your body, connect with the earth, and surround yourself with as much nature and stillness and solitude as you can for these upgrades to fully integrate and to come through. It is important to be grounded and to allow yourself to rest, because you're being asked to step up and to move forward with what lights you up. What are you here to share with the world? What excites you? What brings you joy? You're asked to step more into that, because you're already doing it. You're already doing what you came here to do. So it's just time to refine the things that you already do in order to possibly have a bigger impact on humanity, on the world, and especially with these new upgrades that are coming in for you. You'll be expressing yourself in new ways that you haven't before. So you'll be sharing the things that light you up in new, exciting ways. Maybe you'll all of a sudden be able to see things completely different from a new light and are able to share things out of that light. But you're already doing what you came here to do, and so don't overthink it, and just keep doing you. Keep being you to your fullest. Allow yourself to shine your light, to speak your authentic truth. but make sure you're grounded and you come from a heart-centered space. Meditate, spend lots of time in nature, go outside, get under the sky, get some sunshine on your skin, look at the stars at night, hug a tree, and if you can, get in some water, and enjoy these upgrades. Let me know in the comments below what upgrades you're experiencing right now, what new is wanting to express through you. I'd love to hear from you. I'm sending you much love. Aloha.